After spending a couple of weeks in Manila, I started to really crave a more authentic experience, away from the international hubs of Makati and BGC. A short drive north of Makati leads you to the vibrant community of Sampaloc, and this is where the adventure truly begins. We hit the streets of this humble community, engaging with the locals and immersing ourselves in the culture. Sampaloc is also renowned for its extensive indoor and outdoor market, called Divisoria. Naturally, we had to explore the market, searching for souvenirs and making new friends along the way. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
You can definitely feel the difference between this neighborhood and where we came from. This is a lot more low-key. This is a lot more like residential, maybe.
Yeah, it's a lot more humble, I would say. And now we experience in the real Manila. We're out here in Sampaloc. It's like a student area slash one of the not very posh areas of Manila. It's a nice spot. A lot of students, a lot of young people here.
I mean, this is what I've been looking for, though. I recognize that staying in Makati and BGC, it's not really the full, authentic Manila experience, you know? It lacks a lot of, you know, local culture.
And here, this is downtown, this is real Manila.
This is gritty, this is gritty.
This is as Manila as it gets.
Hey, pare.
Magkano pa Divisoria mo?
20 lang isa. O, tara.
So now we got a trike. I haven't been in one of these yet, man. This is my very first time.
It's very convenient as well. Very cheap, very convenient. Plus, we're not that far off, so 20 pesos is a good deal.
This is like transportation if you're just going short distances, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
And you can see a bunch of them all lined up here. People ready to go. And we're going where again?
We're going to Divisoria.
Divisoria.
Yeah.
And that's like a market, basically.
It's a market. It's one of like the biggest shopping centers of Manila.
And the difference between this market and Green Hills?
Green Hills is more on the higher end. Divisoria is for everybody. Now we're gonna get real messy.
Yeah, let's get in here.
This is where it's at.
Kaya kung gusto mong bumili ka dito, pwede dito, di ba?
Lahat meron dito.
Lahat dito. Pagkain, damit, mura lang lahat. Mura lang.
Are you looking for ways to send money to the Philippines with competitive rates and no fees? TapTapSend is here to help. Make use of their super convenient app and send money from Canada, the US, UK, UAE, and Europe without leaving the comfort of your own home and without paying fees. It doesn't matter if the receiver uses GCash, Maya, or even just their Filipino bank account. It's super straightforward to send them money. Simply download the app for iOS or Android. Sign up and enter your info and payment details. Select the Philippines. Enter the amount and the recipient's details. Enter the promo code Kuya Jared. Tap and send. And listen guys, TapTapSend has given me my very own personalized promo code so that I can give you guys $20 as a free gift on your first transfer. The code to use is Kuya Jared. For example, in this transfer using my promo code, I sent 1,000 pesos and the recipient got over 1,800 pesos. Click the first link below to get started. Thank you to TapTapSend for sponsoring this video.
Kamusta? Okay lang. Okay lang. Ay!
Dito meron.
Meron?
Ate, wala kayong mga pasalubong, mga magnet.
Yung parang banderang Pilipinas. Meron ba?
Tabola, souvenir. Dito sa Tabol. Sa Tabola. Pasalubong?
Pasalubong.
Pwede bang pasalubong to?
Pinsan!
Ay, mga kulit. Kaibigan. Ano pong benta niyo dito? Ano to?
School supplies.
School supplies. Ay, matanda na ako. Hindi ko kailangan. Okay lang.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you. Ano ba yan? Mangosteen?
Yeah!
Matamis?
Matamisin!
Hinog?
Hinog!
Sige, makano po?
Mura lang!
Mura lang, makano?
200 lang kilo!
200?
Yeah, $4 only!
Para ano? Bawat? Oh,
Wala nang bawat, ako bawat.
4 pound ba yun? Or isa lang?
1 kilo!
1 kilo? Dami na yun. Pwede mas onte?
Half!
Half kilo?
Half! 100 only!
Okay.
$2!
Yun. Okay. Anong dollar?
Dollar!
Ano? Wala akong dollar.
Wala ka dollar?
May peso lang. Okay lang yun?
Yeah!
Tinatangka mo po ba yung peso?
Oo!
Okay.
Marunong Tagalog.
nagturo siya sa akin.
Siya turo.
Konti. Magulat ka.
Mas magaling pa siya.
Magaling ka.
Siya yung magaling, ako hindi.
Magaling Tagalog, ikaw bulol.
Bulol. Ako yung bulol.
Hindi ulol.
Ay ano yun, kakabili ko lang ng ng mangustina, inaasar mo pa ako.
Ulol. Netar pa ulit.
Alam mo.
Saan galing bansa?
Canada. Ikaw? Anong bansa?
Canada. Ito, US.
Hindi, dito lang ako.
Dito lang.
Narawan lang.
Local.
Huwag lang parang baboy. Sige na, pre. Salamat.
Thank you, boss. Thank you. Anong pangalan mo?
Marlon.
Malon? Okay.
Bulol na naman.
Meron sa bibi ko
Tripan pa.
Sir. Okay, sige. He was surprised, but surprised for a different reason. Your Tagalog sucks, bro. Sige. Anong pangalan mo?
AJ po.
AJ? Okay.
Follower niyo po ako.
Ay, maraming salamat. Good to meet you. Okay, ingat bro, ingat.
Just trying to take some B-roll. We got some friends.
From far away, it's like Jared.
This is the last place I thought I'd hear my name. You know, hey Jared. That's cool.
Okay po lang, salamat Opo. Ikaw din. Hey, kamusta? Okay lang? Okay. That she knew me, she just wanted me to talk to her daughter.
Damn.
This is definitely feeling more authentic, dude. This is chaotic.
Genuine Manila experience.
Genuine Manila. People everywhere, markets and traffic, and yeah, this is what we were looking for, and we got it.
So let's try their version of the mall.
So this is the indoor section in the market, yeah?
Yeah. So it's kind of like a mall still, but it's like it's not a commercial, full-fledged kind of.
Right.
You get me?
A little more low key.
Do you want to get a number?
Anong sabi niya?
She said, do you want to get the number of my friend?
Oo. Nakahanap lang ako ng pasalubong.
Pasalubong mo ba?
Hindi siya ta. Havaianas 100 lang. Ay nako, 400 ba yung ginastos ko doon?
400.
Ay nako, nabulol talaga ako.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello.
kamusta? Okay lang?
Okay lang. Hi.
Nakahanap ako ng pasalubong.
Pasalubong ng
Parang banderang Pilipinas. Meron ba? Yung flag,
keychain, ng mga
keychain,
Philippine flag.
magnet, kanon.
try niyo dyan.
Sige, salamat ha. Salamat.
Sige, salamat.
So, guwapo.
Thank you.
Kasama mo, guwapo rin.
Salamat.
Nakahanap ako ng pasalubong. Alam mo kung saan yun? Third floor? Parang magnet or keychain.
Salamat, Leo.
Wala dito. Wala kung saan. Doon sa nai sa kabilang building.
Sa kabilang building.
Saan paano
Kung
makarating?
saan tayo galing yata.
Hindi ata.
Paglampas mo dito, tapos dito na sa
So, baba, tapos doon.
baba kayo ng third floor.
99?
Floor. Yes, 99 and most.
Saan ba tayo galing? I think galing tayo sa 169. 169 yung kulay green, di ba?
168 yun.
168. Ito.
168 na ano, oh.
Nakakalito.
Nakakalito kayo. Sorry.
Oo.
Sige, try na lang.
May kasalanan
Baba kayo
kami.
ng first floor, tsaka 99 siya.
Sige.
Thank you. Kahit walang pasalubong, walang problema. Pwede.
Hindi, para may mission din tayo. Hindi tayo naglilimot lang. Junior, bakit ka naman ganyan, Junior?
Lakas, ang lakas. Ito yung susunod na Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, galing.
Saan ba rin?
Kaling dito siya. Sa tingin ko wala bro. Wala dito.
Suko na tayo.
Kailangan sumuko. Wala eh. Sa tingin ko hindi naman sila nagbabenta ng mga pasalubong dito, ganun. Kasi walang foreigner dito.
Oo nga. Magkano po itong pintas niya?
35.
Sige, isang pares po na ito. Paano natin mabababa?
Bayo lang kay Tagalog, ako English ka, bayaan sa ikaw.
Gusto mo English na lang? Okay lang.
Pwede sa Tagalog?
Kahit Bisaya, kabalo ko.
Ay, kapalo ka ba? Saan ba? Wala raw ganito.
Walang Filipino flag dito. Parang magnet or keychain. Pasalubong yun para sa jowa ko.
Sa baba.
Hindi. Galing kami sa Mabawal lang. Oh. 168. Oh.
Galing na tayo doon.
Balik natin kayo. Huwag na kayo bumili.
Wala. Sabihan ko wala.
Meron mga ano dito.
Well, sige nga, samahan mo nga kami.
Chinek na namin yun.
Diba? Oo, diba?
Okay lang. Pag wala, okay lang. Baka na po?
10 peso.
10 peso? Gusto mo ba?
Sige, dalawa.
Salamat bro.
Thank you, bro.
Gusto ko yung mga tattoos mo. Astig yun. Saan mo napagawa? Dito lang?
Tropa, best friend.
Dropa mo. Ilang tattoos mo? Ilan?
Sa pulang sa kanya.
Dati rin. Sakay na tayo.
Pwede.
Salamat alaikum. 20 siya. Oo, tara.
Okay. Parang ganun, vlogger ako. Anong pangalan mo?
Ano pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan niyo?
Adi!
Adi.
Ako si Muhammad.
Si Mamad. Okay.
Pipito.
Tito.
Oh, Pipito. Ako si
Pipito.
Pogi.
Si Pogi. Oh.
Si ano, Dada. Yung kuya, Dada. Marami pa ako luha.
Daming
Ano
Pogi.
pangalan na ano mo ng aking ko?
Ang Jared Hartman.
Jaren Atman.
Search mo lang si Pogi.
Pogi. Hindi daw siya doon.
Ano gusto niyo?
Ito. Fishball.
Fishball?
Oo.
Para sa inyo?
Oo.
Okay, sige.
Yay!
Magkano yung fishball?
10. Madag 20.
10? Para ilan? 4? Okay.
Hey, brother!
Ilan yung kailangan natin?
How are you?
Oh.
Ilan yung kailangan natin?
Oh. Salamat alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Sino yung boss? Siya yung boss?
Hindi, siya nagtitinda.
Siya lang yung nagtatinda? Oo, tama.
Ate, boss namin, oh. Boss.
Oo, napanood mo din ako. Ayos ah.
Pinapanood namin ngayon. Ayun.
Ano yun? Oh, ang sipag mo dyan ah.
7.
Para sa
Ang
kanila.
sipag mo ah.
Na? Diwata Juarez.
Andyan na yung boat. Sige na.
Dito na si boss.
70 pala sukli. Salamat bro.
Salamat ah. Hindi ko alam kung kumpleto na yung order pero sa kanila yun ah.
Bigay niyo daw sa kanila na.
Okay. That was a little bit confusing. I wasn't sure who I was paying and who it was for, but whatever. We got it done. Someone's eating fish balls, so we're good.
Ay, anong channel niyo, kuya?
Jared Hartman. Yun yung pangalan. Jared Hartman.
Angas, puro kayo Tagalog.
Thank you. You could just go to Makati and say, oh, hey, I went to Manila, I saw it. But you'd have no idea what you're missing out on.
This is the real Manila.
This is the real Manila.